Guys, we're going to show you how to do Mercedes oil change. So we begin by removing the hood, what the Brits call bonnet. So okay, I have to take it all the way up. So for Mercedes, this is the way you have to take out the hood all the way by removing the clips which are on both sides of the hood. And then once all the way, it gives us access to access all the whole of this engine area. Second, we have to remove this cover so that we have access to the engine oil where we have to put the oil from, and also the oil filter. So normally, guys, I recommend you guys to change the filter when you're doing the oil change for your car. So that's the basic thing which I normally do all the time. So okay, once that is done, we have to get the oil filter cap. Normally, it has a special tool. Let me get one of the tools and see. Yeah, this is the tool which I normally use. So to remove this oil housing cap. So we have access to the filter for the oil. Yeah, so normally I just recommend if you own one of the cars and you want to be doing oil change from home, you just buy one, so it makes it easy for you because it's really hard for it to be opened by hand. So from there, we just take it by hand. Then once we're done with this, then we can lift the car up, and then we can access the drain plug from below. So let's see how dirty your oil is based on our filter, kind of how it looks like. Oh God, it looks so dirty. Yeah, so I think last time we did oil change was a long time ago. That's why this thing looks so dirty. So here we go. So okay, once we're done with the top, this is what we go down here. Just recommend you lift your car and put strong things to hold it up there. And then while down here, we have to locate the oil drain plug, which in this car, this Mercedes A350, you locate is below. It's just next to the transmission. So I have to find something to catch the oil from. So you can just look for anything whichever can help you catch it up. So once you get it, and then you can open it, the drain plug, so that you'll be able to drain the oil. Okay, normally prefer using a gun or something to pull out the thing so that I can work with the oil. So once I do that, it just comes clean, and then the oil just drains out in a neat way. And later on, I can be able to just make sure the area is clean after I'm done with the work. Yeah, okay, once your oil is all out, I think it's time to just put back the drain plug. Yeah, and I recommend you use your hand when you're putting in. Don't use any special tool or anything. Just use your hand all the way. Just make sure put it all the way, and then make sure you clean the area once done. So the next time you'll be able to tell if your oil drain plug leaks or if it does not leak. It's important, guys, to clean this area. It's really important. Yeah, so you just find something like a rag or something, then clean this area just neatly. Then once we're done with that, then we can bring down the car. Then we can just put the new oil, change the oil filter. You change the oil filter. You make sure normally you use man filter because I think this is the best quality for the oil. And then after that, and then you can once you change the oil filter, then you can do the rest of the oil change. So normally I use Mobil one, which is recommended by Mercedes. To just put in my car, but you can buy any depending on your car manufacturer, because the process of oil change is similar across all the cars. So you fill your car with the recommended oil capacity, but it's important, guys, that once you do it, you have to make sure the oil in the car is enough. So you have to check your dipstick. You have to check your dipstick to make sure the oil which you put in the car is enough, so that you don't underfill it or you don't overfill it. It's really important. All right, I think I'm good to go for me here. So guys, I hope this video really helps you out. And this cuts across almost all models. It's almost the same procedure